welcome to the presentation of the Tico Office Trained Officers by our Tico Secretary, Ronald Vivo.
Thank you. During the early months of 2007, Abrahamians in Moscow, including a few athletes from the municipality of Quirino in the province of Ilocos Sur, has increased in figure. Most of us were first-timers abroad that we came to realize how important we need each other in times of crisis. From that time, we have been extending tangible help to one another in terms of family or relatives' death, sickness, and or to any severe difficulties. There were initiatives early last year proposing on organizing ourselves to a bigger group, but only mid of this year that we were able to discuss and do the planning during our day of gatherings. We planned and collected a consensus from the 5 main boarding house groups, mainly composed of Abrahamians, Quirinians, few kabayans from India, and other Cordillerans, and we decided to organize a bigger group. A group that represents the Cordilleras from Abra, Baguio Benguet, Kalinga, Apayao, Ifugao, Mountain Province, with a special membership of the Tignegs from Bago, from the municipality of Quirino, Ilocos Sur, and La Union. The organization was named as Tipoyog Cordillerans. The election of officers took place on August 9, 2009, during a mass gathering at the riverbank near the Veterans Park along Seribiani Bor, Moscow. Officers had a series of meetings right after the election at the usual meeting venues, at the riverbanks, church ground, and Philippine Embassy. As of yesterday, December 12, we already have 81 registered members. And now, I am very much honored to present to you our active officers. Treasurer, Miss Mary Luz Labutan. Auditor, Mrs. Eunice Bilawa. I'm sorry, kasi may bakasyon siya. The Sports and Events Coordinator, Mrs. Melanie Tayasen. For the Press Relation Officers, we have Aisa Gabawan, Jomar Burungan. And our active coordinators, we have Joseph Cabanayan, Carol Abastinia, Edson Dumaging, pero double. Marjorie Baton, Josephine Tamiling, Christina Pagawa, bakasyon din. Janet Guzman, Miss Janet Guzman, and Mr. Gabriel Ramos. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you very much. So, timbang rabi yung aling karatsa. Mapadayawan ako mga presenter kan iti 6 provinces, I think, that makes up the TICO organization. So, no, awagak ti probinsya yung Michael Ditoy is the chance for you to say your name, Okay. No. Okay.
The province where you belong to naman ang Torre.
No, may kaya dito yung ko.
This is my...
May kaya dito yung
Your chance to have a picture.
Since this is an acquaintance party, it's now the chance for us to be recognized, to know you. Alam nga, kami na officers who care about you, but we're very glad to know you too. So, man-mano tayo nakikita. So, this is now the chance for us to know each other by name and by face, by place, like that.
Thank you po.
Carol Baguio. Nida Ringgit. Janet. Beverly Ringgit.
Ada nakalibas. Aduh, ada di dressing room ako. Manaliman ba sila?
Wow!
From Mayuyaw.
Dapat panawad o duwa.
Ayong pesa pahirin!
Wow! Yeah, like it! Go, go, Lisha! Yan!
Siya kapo ni Joel Harabillo.
Okay, okay na.
Nakakakyak
Okay.
ni Pugaw. Tutuwa kami kapag duda dito yung tagay Pugaw nung handa na kumay sa bisita na trabaho na outside Moscow. Kung di Pugaw at duda ito yung Moscow tanta. Meron na kami pa lang di mag-represent. At pagpakaasi. Hindi lang ni kato ka tagay Pugaw eh. Salamat ako.
Special members. Them to the Ibaw We are Quiriñas. Quiriñas.
Ang dahil may special provision because they're bago. They're still